What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna fix the button for the Rtn66u. The spring failed, and this is the original piece that was in there. It was spring loaded, so it would kind of do this when you push it in and out, whatever, and so that went to shit. So I ended up taking an old wire twister thing right there, plastic piece, and I cut the end of it off. Took some hot glue and stuck it right over the button there. So now it's not spring loaded, but at least it'll give me, it's a little longer, so when I push it, it still has a little bit of room there to catch on, and then pop right out, pop in, on, off, on. So yeah, it works pretty good. Yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna put this thing together and see how it goes. All right, see you later.